Part 6, Ode to a Skylark. In this stanza, there is a beautiful comparison with the high-born maiden, that is a princess. In the last stanza, there was this comparison with the poet, but now he compares the skylark with the princess, like a high-born maiden in a palace tower, soothing her love-laden soul in secret hour, with music sweet as love, which overflows her bower. The skylark is compared to a high-born maiden in a palace tower, that is, a princess who is in her palace tower and she's not free. She's probably stuck in there. She's soothing her love-laden soul in secret hour. There she is singing for her lover. When she's alone, she's singing there and nobody can see her. But her music is so sweet that it overflows her bower, that her music can be heard by people, though she is not seen. Similarly, when the skylark makes its flight up in the sky, its music remains, its music overflows the distance, the height, and people can hear the shrill delight of the skylark. Like a glowworm golden in a dell of dew, scattering unbeholden its aerial hue among the flowers and grass which screen it from the view. In this stanza, Shelley compares the skylark to a glowworm, to a golden glowworm, which in the dell of dew, that is, which when there are dewdrops, it scatters its unbeholden aerial hue. It scatters without being seen, it scatters its color among the flowers and grass which screen it from the view. The flowers and the grass hide the actual form of the golden glowworm, but it can be seen scarcely, but still its beauty can be imagined. Hence, the comparison with the golden glowworm. Look at the wide range of comparisons which Shelley makes, and it's so beautiful. Each and every stanza is typical, is has a very different kind of comparison. Now he will compare it to the rose, like the rose embowered in its own green leaves by warm winds deflowered, till the scent it gives makes faint with too much sweet those heavy winged thieves. He says that the skylark is like a rose, like an embowered rose in its leaves. But sometimes what happens? There are warm winds which deflower the rose, and the roses fall, and the petals are withered, the petals are carried forward. But the rose gives scent, and it spreads so much of scent, so much of perfume, that the heavy winged thieves are fainted, that the wind, who is the heavy winged thieves? The wind, the air, the breeze. That means the scent of the rose overpowers the wind, overpowers the breeze, which deflower the particular roses. So the particular rose, that is why Similarly, the skylark affects nature. Its music can be heard everywhere, even though its presence cannot be, uh, its presence is not manifested.